Are you looking for Pikzels free trial? If yes, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate Pikzels free trial without giving your credit card detail. So all you need to do is just click on the special link given in the video description. Definitely that's my affiliate link. So when you will click on that link, then you will see a special landing page as you are seeing in the screen right now. From here all you need to do is just click on try for free button. When you will click on it, then it will open a new page like this. Okay, here you can either log in with Discord or log in with your Google account. So select any option according to your need, and the best part is that it will not ask your credit card detail. Okay, after creating your account you will see a dashboard like this. From here you can write your prompt and you can generate thumbnail. You can recreate any viral thumbnail using this option. As you can see, I have created lots of thumbnail. Let me show any one of this. So let me show you one thumbnail which I have generated. So as you can see, I have given it a prompt like a super realistic scene of a man swimming under ocean, his face showing pure fear and panic. Behind him a large shark approaches silently, and this is the thumbnail it has generated. And after that I swapped my face using this option, and now it is showing my face. And suppose I want to write any text, then I can click on edit. I can write something like swimming or whatever I want. I can write it here to add text in my thumbnail, or I can use tools like Canva to add text. So if you want to try Pikzels AI absolutely free without giving your credit card detail, then link is in the video description. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.